Hello? Hello, Canvin. Excuse me. Hello, hello. Are you there? Hello. Hello. Good evening, Canvin. Kevin. Good evening, and welcome to our class for today. So, how are you today, Kevin?
I'm good.
You're good. Wow, that's good to know. And did you already eat your dinner?
No,
No. Oh, you still haven't eaten your dinner. Okay, so but still, are you ready for our lesson for today?
yes.
Yes, okay, perfect. So now let's continue the lesson that we had last time. So we are still in Unit 8, Sport, but for this one, we are in our Lesson 3, which is all about story and writing. So before we continue our lesson, Kevin, so let's first review the words that we had learned last time. Okay. So if you still remember, what is the word that we use in this picture?
He's riding a bike.
Okay, very good. So the boy is riding a bike. Good job. So our word here is riding. Very good. So riding. So next, let's move on to our next picture. How about this one? What word do we what word do we use here? So look at this. What is this, Kevin? This is
Ball.
okay. And what is the ball doing? If we hit the ball, so the ball is again the word we have here is bouncing.
Housing.
Okay, one more time. What is the ball doing?
It.
It's
Yeah.
what is the ball doing? It's
Is.
what is the word? Oh, you forgot? It's again, let's say bouncing. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing.
Thing. Housing. Housing. Housing.
Okay, very good. So again, let's say the sentence. The ball is bouncing.
Housing.
Okay, let's say the sentence. Let's read the sentence. The ball
The ball
is
is
bouncing.
bouncing.
Okay, very good. So again, what is our word here? What is our second word?
Housing.
Bouncing. Good job. How about for our first word?
The ball
The boy.
is riding a bike.
Okay, very good. So the boy is riding a bike. First word is riding. Next is bouncing. How about this one? Our third word. What is the boy doing?
Mm.
What's the boy doing? The boy is
Hitting.
okay, let's say the boy is
Hitting.
yes, let's say it in a complete sentence. Let's practice your speaking skills. Let's say the boy.
Is hitting the ball.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the word that we use here? What is the word?
Is
He.
the ball is hitting the ball.
Very good. Wow. Our word here is hitting. Now, again, let's review the first three words that we have. What is the boy doing here?
Hello.
The
He's
boy.
riding a bike. The ball
Uh,
is riding a bike.
very good. Our word is riding. Next.
He's bossing. The ball is bossing.
Wow, perfect. Next one.
It, the ball is hitting the ball.
Okay, wow, good job. So now, let's move on to our new word. What is the boy doing?
The boy is eating.
Hmm? The boy is? This one?
Eating.
This is
Walking.
okay, very good. So again, the boy is, what is the boy doing?
The boy
No.
is walking.
Okay, very good. Next, let's have this one. What is the girl doing?
The girl is running.
Okay, very good. So the girl is running. Wow, good job. Okay. Again, let's review for you to be able to recall the words that we have. Let's review it again. So this one, what is the boy doing?
The boy is
Is
riding a bike.
very good. The boy is riding a bike. Next.
The boy is bouncing.
Okay, very good. Now, one more time, let's say bouncing. Bounce.
Bouncing.
Very good. Next.
The boy is hitting the ball.
Okay, wow, very good. Next.
The boy is walking.
Walking. Next is.
The girl is running.
Okay, wow, very good, Kevin. Now, let's have our next words. What is the boy doing?
Hmm.
Okay, let's take a look at this. What is this, Kevin? Is it a ball? Is it a ball? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now let's take a look at what the boy is doing. So the boy is throwing.
Right.
One more time. Let's say
Right.
throwing.
Right.
Throwing. Okay. Very good. Throwing the ball. Okay. Let's read
Right.
the. Yes. Very good. Let's read the whole sentence again. The boy.
The boy is hurling.
The the. What is the boy throwing? The.
The boy is throwing the ball.
Okay, very good. So again, let's say throwing. Throwing.
Hurling.
Very good. Nice. Good job. So throwing the ball. And for our last word, what is the girl doing?
Mm-mm.
What is she doing? So
The
again,
girl
the
is
girl
mm,
is, our word here is, we call it as kicking.
kicking.
Okay, one more time. Kicking.
Kicking.
Okay, what is the girl kicking? The girl.
The girl kicking the ball.
Okay, very good. Again, let's say the complete sentence. The girl
The girl
is.
is kicking the ball.
Okay, very good. So now let's again review our 5 words that we have here. So first one is, what is the boy doing?
The boy is riding a bike.
Okay, very good. Next.
The ball is bouncing.
Very good. The ball is bouncing. Next
The
is.
boy is hitting the ball.
Very good. Next one.
The boy is walking.
The boy is walking. Next is.
The girl is running.
Very good. The girl is running. Next one.
The boy is tossing the ball.
Okay, one more time. Let's say throwing.
Throwing.
Okay, throwing.
Throwing.
Okay, let's say throwing, throwing, throwing.
Throwing.
Okay, let's say, can you try to put your tongue in between your teeth like this? This one.
The boy is throwing the ball.
Okay, very good. Throwing, throwing. Good job. Next, last one is.
The gun is kicking the ball.
Okay, wow, good job. So those are the words that we have. So don't forget these words, okay? Because we will use it in our activity. So now, let's move on to our first activity here. We have here how many boys in the square? We have how many? How many boys? How many? How many boys?
Nika. Wait, test to Nika. Đang học online.
Kevin, how many boys can you see in this square?
Wait,
How many?
it's three.
Hmm? Is it three? Oh, this one. This in the square only.
It's three. Two.
Okay, very good. So we only have two here in the square. So now, what are these two boys doing? So let's read the first sentence. So let's read. Two
Two.
boys.
Two boys are playing football. Sam is kicking the ball.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. What is Sam doing? What is Sam doing? This is Sam. What
Sam
is he
is
doing?
kicking. Kicking.
Okay. Okay, one more time. Let's say kicking.
Kicking.
Okay, very good. Sam is kicking the what? Sam is kicking.
Kicking.
What is Sam kicking? Sam is kicking the.
The ball.
Okay, very good. So now let's go to number two. This one. So this is Lucy. This is
Chơi
Lucy.
học à?
Okay, so this is
Online hay là
Lucy
học trực tiếp luôn?
and her friend. So now let's read what is Lucy
Ball.
playing. So let's read. Lucy.
Lucy. Lucy is playing tennis. She is hitting the ball.
Okay, very good. She is. Again, what is the word? She is hitting. Very good. Nice. She is hitting the ball. Good job. Next. Okay, next word. So we have here. So look at this boy. What is the boy doing? Let's read the
One boy
sentence.
is riding a bike. He's
Okay, very good. Wow, good job. One boy is riding his bike. Our word here is riding. Wow, good job. Next, let's look at this girl. This one, the girl. What?
one
Oh,
girl is
this one.
one
This
girl
one. Actually, the number four is
is
this girl. What?
go to the playground.
Okay, again. What is this girl doing?
The
This.
girl is walking to the playground.
Okay, very good. So the girl is walking. So walking is our word. And for the last one, what is our word? Oh, we have it. What is our word for number
One
one?
girl is
Ay, number five.
playing with a ball and cheese.
What is she doing? She's how, what is
She
our word? She's
She throw it.
okay. Very good. Very good. So she's throwing. Oh, bouncing. Oh, actually, this is bouncing. Oh, no. So, okay, we can also use throwing and we can also use bouncing. When we say bouncing, so we do it like this with the ball. And we can also use throwing because we throw the ball using basketball. Okay, so nice job. Very good. Good job for completing this activity. Okay, so now let's take a look at this picture. So look at the picture. We will describe the picture. Now, let's take a look at this girl. This girl, Kevin.
The girl is running.
Very good. The girl is running. Good job. Next, how about this boy? What is the boy doing?
Cô hôm nay cũng đi du lịch.
Okay, again. What is the boy doing, Kevin? The boy is
The boy is hitting
hitting the.
ball.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the boy doing? The
The
boy.
boy is hitting the ball.
Okay, perfect. The boy is hitting the ball. And next, let's go with our next picture, this one. What is the girl doing?
The girl is bouncing the ball.
Okay, very good. Bouncing or what is the other word that we can use? Bouncing or
A ball.
what is the other word that we can use? Bouncing or throwing, throwing, throwing the.
The ball.
Okay, again, can you read this word? Let's say throwing.
Throw.
Okay, very good. So throwing. Next, let's have these two children. What are the two children doing?
To
What are
tell. To
the
tell
two
it
children are?
are football. The
Yes.
ball.
What
No.
are
It
yeah, what are they doing?
hitting the ball.
Okay, very good. So the two children are kicking the ball. Very good. Next, how about these two children? What are they doing?
Mm.
What are
The
they
two children it
are let's use are because we have two children. So what are they doing? What sport is this? The two children are playing. What are they playing? What is this sport? Oh, you don't remember what is this sport? What sport is this, Kevin? What sport do we need sticks? Oh, you don't remember? Starts with letter A.
the two children are kicking.
Huh?
The two children are playing hockey.
Okay, very good. So the two children are playing hockey. And next, what is this children doing or what is the girl doing? The girl is
Is bouncing
okay,
the
very good.
ball.
Very good. So the girl is bouncing
Bouncing
The ball. Okay, good job. So very good. So I can see that you can really recall the actions that we can do, especially when playing sports. Very good. So next, we have here a story. So make sure to listen to the story, Kevin, because teacher will ask a questions or two questions about this story. Okay? Listen, listen. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
let's play, let's play.
Listening 30. Listen and read. Then act. 1,
Can you play basketball? Yes, I can. No, I can't. I can't play sports.
2,
Here, catch Nick.
3,
You can throw the ball. You can play basketball.
4,
I can bounce it too. Basketball is great.
Okay, so that is our story, Kevin. So now, can you please read this one? Let's read. Can you play basketball? Let's read this one.
You play basketball?
Next.
Yes, I can. No, I can't. I can't play sport. Here, can't Nick.
Okay, one more time. Let's read this word. Let's say catch.
Cat.
Catch.
Here, catch Nick.
Oh, very good. Nice. Next.
You can throw the ball. You can play basketball. I can passing it to basketball is great.
Okay, again, let's read this word. Let's say bounce.
Bounce.
Okay, not bouncing. Okay, bounce. So again,
Bounce.
can you read the sentence? I can.
Yes, I can.
This one. I can bounce
I can bounce it
it.
to basketball is great.
Okay, very good. So now, teacher has a question with this story that we have. So what sport, Kevin, what sport are they playing? What sport are they playing?
Họ đang chơi môn thể thao gì?
What
Is
sport? They are.
playing basketball.
Okay, perfect. They are playing basketball. Now, let's take a look at this girl. This girl. Can she play basketball?
Cô ấy có biết chơi bóng rổ không?
Ye-
Yes,
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 she.
can.
Okay, very good. Yes, she can. Next, let's go to this boy. Can he play basketball? Can he pl- can he
No, she can.
Okay, no he can't. Let's say no he can't.
No, he can.
Okay, very good. So again, so if we have a girl, so we will use she. So if we have a girl, Kevin, remember we will use she. If we have a boy, so we will use he. Okay? So if our question is, can she play basketball? So we are talking about a girl. So we will answer, yes, she can. Or if the answer is no, we will say, no, she can't.
Hmm.
Okay. And next, if our question is, can he play basketball? Meaning we are talking about a boy. So we will answer, if our answer is no, we will say no, he can't. And yes, he can. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, he can.
He can.
Okay, so again, Kevin, what shall we use for girl? What shall we use for girl?
He gone. He's boy.
Okay, again, she. We use
He gone.
she girl, he.
Boy.
Okay, very good. So now, let's answer again the question. Can, so let's take a look at the girl. Can she play basketball? Yes or no?
Yes. He can.
Yes, he can or she can?
He can.
She can. Very good. Next, how about this boy? Can he play basketball?
No, no, he can. No,
Okay,
he can.
very good. No, he can't. So next, let's take a look at the second scenario. This one, third scenario. What is the girl saying, or what is the girl doing with the ball? What is the girl doing with the ball? Is she okay?
He
Is she riding, bouncing?
getting passing.
What is she doing? Is the girl riding, bouncing, hitting, throwing, kicking the ball? What is the girl doing? Riding, bouncing, hitting, throwing, kicking
Throwing.
the ball.
Kicking.
Yes, what is the girl doing with the ball?
Cô gái đang làm gì với quả bóng vậy?
It,
Riding, bouncing, hitting, throwing, or kicking?
it throwing.
Okay, very good. So let's say the girl.
He is throwing the ball.
Very good. The girl is throwing the ball. So that's it. So now let's take a look at the third scenario. Can he throw the ball?
Anh ta có ném được bóng không?
Yes or no? Can can he throw the ball? Yes or no?
Mm,
This one. Look at the picture. Can he throw the ball? Yes or no?
no.
Are you sure?
Yes. He
Okay.
can.
Yes, he can. Can he play basketball? Can he play basketball? Yes or no?
Yes, he can.
Okay, very good. Yes, he can. And for our last question, can he bounce the ball? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What shall we use? She or he? Can
Um,
he?
he.
He? Yes, he.
Yeah, he is.
Huh? Yes, he is.
Yes, he can.
Okay, very good. So again, if we have the question that starts with can, so our answer will be also yes, he can. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for our story about Nick, who said that he cannot play basketball, but at the end, so he can play basketball. That's good, very good for applying the sentence structures that we had learned. Wow. So now we had finished lesson number 3. So we will go to our lesson number 4. So are you still ready for our lesson number 4? Kevin?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. So for our lesson number 4, we will have language practice. So let's say language practice.
Language practice.
Okay, one more time. Language.
Language.
Okay, very good. So language practice. We will practice your language.
Language practice.
Practice. One more time. Let's say practice. Prac-
Practice.
prac-
Language practice.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it slowly. Practice.
Practice.
Very good. Now let's try to say it faster. Practice.
Practice.
Okay, perfect. Very good. Good job. So now let's move on. Oh, okay. So if you still remember, Kevin,
Is
what?
basketball.
Okay,
Basketball.
wow, so fast. Very good. This is basketball. Do you play basketball?
Yes, I can.
Very good. So, yes, I can, or yes, I do. Next, what is our next sport?
So, tennis.
It's
Tennis.
okay. Again, let's try to say it in at least simple sentence. Let's say it's
Tennis.
it's. Let's start with it's. It's
It tennis.
okay. Very good. It's
Tennis.
tennis. Can you play tennis?
No, I can't.
No, I can't. Okay, one more time. No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Okay, next. What is this sport? What sport is this? Is this base?
It's hockey.
It's
Hockey.
hockey. Can you play? Can you play hockey?
No, I can't.
No, I can't. Okay, one more time. Let's say can't. Can't.
Can't.
No.
No, I can't.
Okay, perfect. Next. What sport is this?
No, it's football.
It's football. Now, can you
Football.
play football?
Mm, yes, I can.
Okay, wow, very good. Yes, I can. Next, what sport is this?
The ball is
It's
basketball.
okay, very good. One more time. Let's say it 3 times. Baseball, baseball, baseball.
Baseball.
Okay, let's say it 3 times for you to practice. Baseball, baseball, baseball.
Baseball, baseball, baseball.
Okay, perfect. Good job. I can see that you can do it.
Baseball.
Now,
Baseball.
very good. Now, Kevin, can you play baseball? Can you play? Can you play baseball?
No, I can't.
Very good. No, I can't. And next, how about this sport? What sport is this?
It's badminton.
Badminton. Very good.
Badminton.
Can you play badminton? Can you play badminton?
Yes, I can't.
Yes. Okay, one more time. Let's say, yes, I can.
Yes, I can't.
No T. If our answer is yes,
Yes, I can.
okay, very good. So yes, I can. If our answer is no, we will say no, I can't. Yes, I
I
can. No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Okay, very good. Again, can you play badminton?
Yes, I can't.
Oh, with T? Yes, I can't.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
I can.
Okay, no. We remember we shouldn't add letter T when we are answering yes, I can. So we should only do yes, I can. Can.
I can.
Okay, not can't. Okay. So if our answer is no, we will highlight the T sound. No, I can't.
No, I can.
Okay, again, can you play badminton?
Yes, I can.
Okay, perfect. Yes, I can. Next. Next sport. What sport is this?
It's table tennis.
Okay, table
Table tennis.
tennis. Can you play table tennis?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Very good. Oh, now let's have another activity. Kevin, so we will have a word revision activity. So now let's take a look at this animal. First, what animal is this, Kevin?
Yes, mouse.
Mouse. Okay, one more time. Let's say mouse.
Mouse.
Okay. Now, what do we call this body part of the mouse?
Oh,
Tail. Very good. How about this one? Do you know what fruit is this? What fruit?
if ever.
Huh? Okay, we will revise the
Apple.
word. Okay, one more time. What is it? It's
Thì con không được ăn à?
what is the
Ép,
name of this fruit?
Apple.
Okay, very good.
Apple.
It's pear. One more time. Let's say pear.
Apple.
Okay, perfect.
Apple.
Do you eat pear? Or can
Yes, I
oh,
can.
okay. Can you eat? Okay. When teacher asks you, do you eat pear? So you will answer, yes, I do. So if teacher asks you,
Yeah, I know.
and if teacher asks you a question, can you eat pear? That's the time that you will answer, yes, I can. Okay, so look at the difference between these two. So we have here do and can. So we will base the first word with our answer. Do. Yes, I do. Can.
Yeah, I do.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, very good. So again, this is pear. Okay.
Hey,
Okay, now let's move on to our third object. This one. Okay. How about this, Kevin? What is this? What is the name of this object? Based on this word, what do we call that object? S- Starts with letter W.
what?
Okay, very good. So it's watch. Okay. Now, Kevin, so I have a question for you. Do you have a watch? So
Yes,
we have here
yes,
do.
can. Yeah, I
Ve-
do.
Okay, very good. Yes, I do. Next, how about this animal? What animal is this?
It's better.
Okay, very good. It's spider. Now, Are you are you scared of spiders?
No.
No,
Ah,
I'm not.
I'm not.
Okay, very good. So again, for if we have a question about yourself, so we will answer it by no, I'm not. Yes,
I'm
I
not. No,
am.
am.
Okay, very good. Again, are you scared of spiders? Are you
Uh,
scared? No,
no.
I'm
No, I'm not.
Okay, very good. Next, what animal is this?
You chicken.
It's chicken. Very good. So again, chicken. Do you eat chicken?
Yes.
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 Yes, what? Yes, I.
Okay. Yeah,
Huh?
I do.
Okay, very good. Yes, I
I do.
do. And for our last one or last word, what is this?
The hockey.
It's hockey. Very good. It's hockey now. Kevin, can you play hockey? Can you play?
No. Um.
No.
No, I can.
Can or can't?
Can.
Hmm? This
Can.
one?
Can.
Okay, perfect. No, I can't. Okay, so remember, we only use can for yes answers. We use can't if our answer is no. Very good. Okay, so good job for answering completely this activity. Now let's go to the next activity. So we will use the sentence structures that we had learned in our previous lesson. So now let's look at the picture. So look at the picture. How many balloons? How many balloons are there in the picture? How many?
It's five.
Okay, let's say not it's. There are, is it five? Are you sure? Five,
1,
five
2,
balloons?
4, 5.
Huh? Where is the other balloons? Where? Can you circle? Can you circle the balloons? How many? Okay, again.
Trong bức ảnh có bao nhiêu quả bóng bay?
Okay, how many?
1, 2, 3.
Huh?
It's
Where
2.
it's two. Okay, let's say there are
There are
how many?
there
Yes.
are 2.
Two what? What do we call those objects?
Blue.
Two what? Two
Blue.
balloons. One more time, let's say balloons.
Balloons.
Uh,
Balloons.
uh,
Balloons.
okay, very good. So again, how many balloons are there in the
It's
picture? There are.
2 balloons.
Okay, again, can you read this word? Let's say there. There
There 2
are,
balloons.
are
There are 2 balloons.
okay, balloons. Don't forget the letter S because we only use
Balloons.
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 Okay, we only use balloon if we have only one balloon. We use balloons if we have two or more balloons. Okay, okay. So don't forget the S sound for if there are two or more things. So there are two balloons. Okay, now teacher has another question. Kevin, can you ride a horse? Can you ride a horse?
Can you ride a horse?
Yes or no?
Bạn có biết cưỡi ngựa không?
No.
No. How can we answer this? No. I
Can.
again, can you ride a horse? Can you ride a horse? How will you answer?
No, I can't.
Okay, very good. Wow. Next, can you tell teacher where is the girl wearing a pink shirt and a pink top? Okay, again, where is the girl wearing a pink skirt and pink top?
Cô gái mặc váy hồng và áo hồng đang ở đâu?
Yes, where is she? Let's say it in a sentence. Is the girl, or the girl is?
Go in
What is the answer? Can you choose the right preposition? What is the answer? In?
behind the house.
Huh? What is your answer? In, on, under, or behind?
Behind.
Are you sure she is behind?
No,
Look at her
Oh.
foot.
it's on.
Okay, very good. Is on.
It's on the floor.
Okay, wow, good job again. So let's review this preposition. So on, when we say on someone or something is on the top of something. Like for example, this girl. So she is on the top of the horse. So perfect. We will use the preposition on. If we use in, so something, so as or an object is inside of something. Inside. So let's look at the picture. The girl is not inside the horse. So we will not use the preposition. And when we say under, so it is below an object. So like for example, here, under the horse. So in this position, we will use the preposition under because it is below the horse. So under the horse. So as we can see, the girl is not under the
There's the
horse.
horse.
Yes, the girl is on the horse. And if we say behind, last one preposition, if we say behind, so the girl will be here, behind, or at the back of something. So that is the preposition that we have. Okay, so our answer here is on. Next, can you tell teacher where is the elephant? Where is the elephant? Where is the elephant?
Elephant.
The elephant is
Behind. Is under.
huh? Are you sure?
Under the ground.
Huh?
Under.
Oh yes, very good. We can also use that. The elephant is under the girl. Yes, wow, nice idea. But for this one, so the most accurate sentence that we can use, so we can use the elephant. We can also use the elephant. Oh, the elephant is behind the horse. Okay, so this is also correct. The elephant is under because as you can see, the girl is sitting on the elephant. So the elephant is under the girl. And also the horse, this is the horse. It is, or the horse is at the back. The horse or the elephant is at the back of the horse. So it's behind. Okay, so very good. So next question. Can you tell teacher where's the magician? Where's the magician? Okay, I will give you some example, or I will give you some choices. So we have here next to, in, on, under,
Be
behind.
behind the elephant.
What is the answer? Next to, in, on, under, or behind?
Behind the elephant.
Okay, very good. So we can also use behind the elephant because
Right.
it is at the back of the elephant. So the magician is at the back. Okay, again, can you read the full sentence? The magician
The magician is behind the elephant.
Okay, very good. So is behind the elephant. So next, let's move on to our last question. So can you tell teacher, where is the girl eating ice cream and wearing blue shirt? Where is the girl eating ice cream and wearing blue shirt?
Blue shirt.
Where? Where is the girl eating ice cream? Where is the girl eating ice cream? Can you circle where is the girl?
Okay.
Where is the girl? Oh, can you circle where is the girl? The girl eating ice cream with blue shirt. Blue shirt. Okay, very good. That is the girl eating ice cream with a blue shirt. Now, can you tell teacher, what is the preposition that we will use? Between, next to, in, on. What shall we use?
It
The girl is, what is the preposition? So the girl is blank. The boy wearing orange shirt and the boy wearing green shirt. So what preposition shall we use if we have two objects and the subject is in the middle? What preposition? Oh, you forgot? I think you have this in your previous lesson. The girl is between, next to, in, on. This one? Next to?
No.
Oh, what?
Be
Be okay, let's say between.
between.
Okay, very good. So this is the preposition that we will use because when we say between, the subject is in the middle of two objects or two people. Like for this one, the girl eating the ice cream is between the orange or the boy with an orange shirt and a green shirt. Okay, so between. Wow, good job. So, okay, so for this one, I think you already forgot the preposition because I think it's on lesson unit 7, unit 6, or unit 5. I think it's on unit 5, on those units. So make sure to review the preposition on, in, on, under, behind, next to, and between. Okay. Okay, so it's still a good job in this activity. So now again, let's have a new activity here. So let's look at the two pictures and we will find their differences. So let's first take a look at the first picture. What do you think? What do you think are the differences between the two pictures, Kevin?
Bạn nghĩ điểm khác biệt giữa hai bức ảnh là gì?
So look at picture 1 and picture 2. Can you tell teacher or can you at least circle the differences that you can see? Circle,
Okay.
circle. Can you circle? Can you circle, circle? Okay. Okay, circle first. And we will make it in a sentence. Are you finished now? Finish? Finish, finish. Finish? Okay, tell teacher if you're finished, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now, okay. So let's start with this object, this one. What can you see in this, the first picture?
Is sun.
It's sun. So there is, so
There
there,
is a sun.
okay. How about in the second picture? What happened? There is,
Uh,
what,
ba-
what happened to the sun? Where is the sun? In the second picture.
is no sun.
Okay, perfect. Wow, there is no sun. Next, let's have this. What do we call this clothing,
He
Kevin?
black. He black.
Black,
Black.
hat or cap?
Hat. Cap.
Hat or cap?
Hat or cap.
Okay, what do we call this? Hat or cap?
Hat or cap.
What is the answer?
Mũ hay
Hat
mũ?
or cap.
Mũ hay mũ?
Cap.
What is it?
Is
Hat?
cap.
Okay,
Cap.
very good. It's cap. So again, so this one is black, black,
Black.
black,
Black.
black what? In the first picture we have black,
Black.
hat or cap? You answer black.
Black. Cap.
Okay, how about in the second picture? What happened to the color? It's what
It-
happened? What color
it-
is it?
Chicken.
Oh, this one, the cap. What happened to the cap first?
A ground. Ground cap.
Okay, very good. So I think, so for this one, Kevin, so we do not have much time. So we will continue this activity next time, okay? So I will take a screenshot of this activity that we have or we had right now and make sure to review it and try to make a sentence on your own. Or you can have a help from your parents, okay? So that we can be able to answer it in our next class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, Kevin. See you again soon. See you again on Monday. So goodbye.
Bye.
Thank so
teacher.
much. You did a great job today. Wow.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.